David. I've been thinking about Star Wars. And how it's just like you and me. It was a period of civil war in intergalactic space. And me and Chewbacca were at the Cantina place when old Ben wanted a charter to Alderaan. But little did we know your whole planet was gone. We got stuck to the Death Star by the tractor beam of fate, and I knew I was in love with you when you planted that trash crate. Well, I got you off the Death Star and we rendezvoused on Yavin 4. Do you ever think a princess and a smuggler could be more? You be my Leia and I'll be your Han. We'll make my Millennium Falcon your new Alderaan. We'll travel together at light speed wherever we go. In a galaxy far, far away, a long time ago. 3 years have passed since the Death Star mass murder, and you kissed your brother and think I'm struck with nerve herder. Well, I got past all that and we escaped to the asteroid field. The odds are 3,120 to 1, but for you I won't yield. Our hands were both dirty and couldn't resist, but then 3PO barged in when we finally kissed. And if that wasn't bad enough, Darth Vader froze me in the carbonite. We both have a bad feeling about this, but I promise it'll be alright. You be my Leia and I'll be your Han. Chewbacca will care for you while I am gone. Don't cry for me as all of that slave one knows. 'Cause you said I love you, and I said I know. I know, Leia, I know. Next thing I knew, I couldn't see, but I was okay 'cause you were right there with me. Then Jabba started to laugh and I knew we were screwed. So you look banging in your slave girl outfit for a Sarlacc pit through. We went off to a North, the war's almost over it seems, and I nearly died when you joined my strike team. But as you were storming the bunker, you got shot. But you killed those 2 scout troopers anyway, and that was so hot. You be my Leia and I'll be your Han. We'll make out in the bushes when the Ewoks are gone. But then when we watch the Death Star to explode, I knew so. So I said I love you, and you said I know. You know. Now that I think about it just a little more, our lives are absolutely nothing like Star Wars. Could you imagine how awesome life would be if a princess like yourself would fall for a smuggler like me?